Oh, okay. And now we are at the weird part of the stream. Twitchy just hanging out. He just do be jamming. We're now going to do a dramatic bad lip reading. Oh, friends, send Splash some dino tissues. Sorry, friend. I didn't mean to make you cry. But if it helps you, whatever you're going through, I'm super happy. I think the power of music too is that you can realize that you're not alone going through that. And hopefully this makes you laugh. We're gonna go from sad to ridiculous. I will not laugh this time. Keyborg has dropped 40,000 channel points for very dramatic, silly song time. We're doing a dramatic lip reading. Which means Armored Bunny Bear, I'm so sorry. So the gamble is to add hand pan to a loop, but since we're not doing a loop, and also the hand pan wouldn't have worked in this key, so that's the gamble too. I'm sorry, you gambled. You gambled. I'm still gonna refund your points though. You pressed the button. I'm proud of you. The seagulls poking my knees is always a tearjerker. Yeah. Many secrets in the unknown. It's a very sad song about a seagull poking me in the coconut. John's a genius. John says we should run a poll about whether I'll laugh or not. Let's do it. Let's do it. Or we can run a prediction. Will I laugh? Or will I get through this without laughing? Can we also give our friend Dermo some follows? Hosted a super, super lovely Friday game night and we all played Raft. And I would have died way more if it was not for Dermo and Unmagical Me. My gosh. The prediction's up. Speaking of gambling, who wants to gamble? Will I laugh? Will I not? Head to that prediction. I'm feeling very serious today. Feeling very serious. I'm gonna stay in character. Is everybody voting that I'm going to laugh? Yes, obviously. How dare you all? Somebody says not this time. Thank you. Thank you for believing in me, friend. Did you get your shark hat chalk? I did. Magic gave me a shark hat. Wow. That's a lot of friends saying not this time. Are y'all ready? Predictions are in. That's a lot of channel points on the line. So serious. I just really believe in you, Danny. You're the most serious person I've ever met. Okay, yes. Rockin'. Rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach. I'm strolling. But the seagulls said, seagulls gonna come, poke me in the coconut, and they did. And they did. Had me going like, ah ha 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 ha. Nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me when I tried to run. I fell, and then these kids start laughing, and then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where'd it come from? Now run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Run, 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 jump. Now stop. Put me down. I love to groove and boogie. Yeah. Show you some dance moves. If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, I could have outrun those birds. Ha, 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 ha. Hey, what's that steak? You put a fish in our basket. Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that. You owe me an apology. Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will bite your face. Now run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be your backpack while you climb. Stand on one head and lift rocks with your special gift. Now run, 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 run. Now breathe. Like that. Like that. Listen, boy. Someday, when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder. While you're lying there, screaming, come help me, please. The seagulls poke your knees. Ha, ha, ha. One day, I was walking, I found this big log, and I rolled the log over, and underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Ha, 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 ha. No! No! I was so close! I was so close! No! How do you look very seriously at people that go like, ha, ha? I don't. We made it to almost the end. We made it to the scam. We were so close. Next time I think it's gonna happen. Yeah, next time I think it's gonna happen. No, me points. So close, but no. Ha. 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 Look at you. Ha ha ha. I can't. Oh. One of my favorite things too is when people are doing like comedy bits too, and they do that fake laugh and they're like, ha 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 ha. I can't maintain it, but it's just like, how do you do something like that with a serious face? It's okay, you did very well. You're losing me points. Oh my gosh. Seagulls, a dramatic lip reading. Oh. Next time. I almost lost it a number of times before that. But it's like one more time, I'm like, I can do this. Yeah.